umfana sekasi, umfana sebhuqwini, umfana semkhukhwini nakuma RDP angithola. Nako ke senibizwa ko live ko SABC2 mfethu aba morning live. Tell me about it like. Mfana sebhuqwini, mfana sekasi.
Yeah, it was another experience. But there's something that I really hate about that experience. But okay, so khuluma ngayo. Laphana besiplakwa the late Matlo.
Okay.
Mam Gloria.
Yes.
Yes. Besiplakwa uyo Mam Gloria. She loved ingane so bad. So most of our opportunity ma was presenter kuye yena afuna ukuyofuna opportunity. She would think of us. So we're always there. So besiplakwa uye. Yabo besiplakwa ukuthi guys you have a gig and so you need to go there tomorrow morning and stuff like that. So saya vele. There's one question I remember that's why in the video I angaze ngayibheka ever since. The question was, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Yeah.
That's exaggeratedly. Exaggerator and mina into bengiyibona at that time, bengazi ukuthi baba kunabo COVID bala minyango bayeza and kunanani yabo kunama challenges into face bengayiboni kanjalo because bengibheke the pace esamba ngayo ukuthi what yini ezosihlula ukuthi sifike eBlue Note iso performa khona or Apollo sisuke ebhuqweni yini ezosihlula
siperforma nama international.
Come on, we can do this thing yabo bekuleyo hanga leyo ukuthi what we will do it because we don't sleep, we do this thing every day all night aslali siyayenza lento le. So that question I answered and then I was like,
what did you say?
We are going to be international in 5 years.
Oh God.
Sizobe sidlala internationally.
But why do you regret?
Because I yenzakalanga sli and it haunts me every day for the fact ukuthi ngisho something ukuthi not ukuthi it would never happen but it wouldn't happen in the time frame le bangibuza ngayo.
Yeah. And then what did you learn from that? If someone would ask you, if I can ask you now, where do you see yourself in 5 years? What would you say to me or to our viewers?
I still won't be scared to exaggerate.
Good.
Because of it's what I see.
I love what you said. Good man. Who's gonna give you a good high five? I like what you just told me now. There's nothing wrong with seeing yourself. We are driven by that. So from today, don't regret for saying that. Because
no, I won't.
I mean, that is why we're still standing. What we need to shake the earth. That is why we're still here.
Yeah.
I believe that if really it knocked you down, kubuye wayihenga, ube mhlambe ubhemonya upe laphayana.
Oh my God.
I just want you to understand ukuthi leya ntshisekelo leyana it's still there.
Yes.
That is why you didn't choose otherwise. Yes, we go through the darkest phases and I'm not being malicious when I talk about abonyaupe because those things they do affect our families. We are so affected by it.
Big time.
Everybody can relate to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And what I've learned the process abantu abanye baye bazigcine sebethatha impilo zabo nabantu ababhema lezi zinto lezi it's we've all been there. We've all been in a darkest space but we are thankful because of siyathina sayibona light. We're not here to judge them because of they still stuck in the darkness
and now they'll find their way.
We're praying for them ukuthi nabo mabayibone. So I love the fact that in a process of everything that you just said, how you're saying that it haunts you, you regret of the answer that you said because of that you're gonna be an international artist. That is why you're still here fighting. So don't regret.
Yes, we are still going there, man. Silanda, we won't give up on this, man.
I'm gonna ask you, and I want you to own it, and I don't want you to wear it over your sleeves. I want you to wear this under your sleeves. Where do you see yourself in the next coming 3 years?
3 years?
Yeah. Angisafuni 5 manje.
Angisafuni 5. Okay, in 3 years, this is what I see. Just Master. It will be a name that is worn by a lot of artists. Because I think that is a name that is going to stand for artists mostly. yabo, in terms of many things that we struggle with, yabo. And then I don't wanna even get to the part yokuthi what types of gigs he will be performing in because of Slee. I don't know if it's me or if it's something else, but that name is going to be one of the biggest names we have in SA. I believe that. I believe that.
You are a master of your life, and you are the master to heal other people's lives. Own it. I want you to own it. Guys, the moment we learn that being humble is relative, the moment we learn that being powerful is relative, whatever that you are, and I don't like this thing, I'm the girl that I think I am. Thinking is not knowing.
Oh, you think you are.
Thinking is not knowing. Mina, I know I'm that girl that I know that I am. So there's nothing wrong with knowing that you are the master. The moment we start speaking things into existence, we finally attract what we want.
Yes,
and there's nothing wrong with being over your sleeves.
Yeah.
Because I regret that.
Yeah.
Own it.
Yeah.
Own it. I'm saying this.
Yeah.
And just as emotions, I want to ask you this.
Yes.
What is that one thing you wish you could go back to Unqobile and say, I'm sorry, Nqobile? What would you say to that young Nqobile? Uyomhaka, uxolise kuye. Miyeke uPinocchio, miyeke uPinati, yeke inganekwane, miyeke uMaster. Nqobile. What is that one thing ungafika umhakele yona uxolise kuye?
I don't think there's something to say I'm sorry for as Sliangas. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Yeah. But I don't think I'm sorry for you. But I think I would thank him for being the boy that he was because of Slee. Like I've learned a lot of things about life, and I don't regret anything. I feel like how it went, it's how it should be because of it's all about what you know and what you download with your mind. But mina so far, I think so far so good, boy. I think the boy has been doing it. The boy laid the foundation grand for mina. I thank his experiences and his hardships. I really can say thank you because of I wouldn't be this guy, man. But
I love this.
Serious, man.
Like, gets emotional. Gets emotional, but thank you for that, because there are people today who are still stuck in their past and they still being so hard on themselves because of that young self. That best friend of yours, Unqobile.
Yeah.
Right?